Hi, I'm Donna and I'm a public school teacher. My classroom becomes one of the evacuation center of the victims of Typhoon Haiyan last November 8, 2013. I become a witness of the struggle of the victims in their daily needs because there were not enough food and clothing and even sleeping mats for the family. So I give food and some clothing, but only for some. After the typhoon, me and my husband Joseph help in fetching water for our neighbors' consumption because during that time, almost everything was shut down. No electricity, no water, no clean water for drinking and cooking, and then it runs out of food in the market. So I know a friend, Janissa and her husband Mike, who give groceries for their neighbors, and then the distribution of packs expands to their barangays, and then after a while the whole town learns to stand again because of their help. They've been through feeding also, so in the public school, so I volunteer myself to be in the feeding program, so and in the distribution of the relief goods. Like for example, in my classroom, about 40 students, about this meal package, about this size of meal package, can already fulfill 40 empty stomachs of my students. I add on seasonings and spices which will be suitable for the Pinoy taste buds. Okay, and then until now, we help in the distribution of the relief goods with Janessa and Mike, and then we extend our help in the neighboring towns, Sugod, Tabugon, Bugo, Midilien, San Remeo, Daan Bantayan, and even in the neighboring islands like Camotes, Bantayan Island, and soon to be in Palo Leyte. So thank you so much for your support in us, and in behalf of the people of the northern part of Cebu, which was seriously devastated by the typhoon, daghang salamat. Thank you.
In addition to what my wife said, I did this at first as way of saying thank you to Janissa and Mike, but as time goes by, it's already our common interest. It's to help people. I am very proud to say that there's somebody who has that big heart to help us, even if he's not a Filipino by blood, but I know his heart is a pure Filipino heart. So I am very thankful to Mike and Janissa and to you guys who are supporting them. And one thing that we could promise is both of us, my wife and me, will always be here, will always be ready to exert effort, will always be here ready to give support to the team of Mike and Janissa.